We're going to do the cold start of the of my 81 f250 camper special. Has the 6.6 400 modified. Hang on. There it is. Put new spark plugs in it and cleaned up the wires a bit so they looked a little bit better. I gotta fix my temperature wire, was jammed up in here, and pin the gauge. Now I need a new gauge and new wiring. Started cleaning up the top of the air cleaner. Put a new solenoid in it. And a new starter I put in over the weekend, so she should start. Took the door apart so I could put a new lock in the door. Ford. Steering wheel's really nice. The only problem is right there. Well, there's you guys' cold start. There's the cold start of the 81. Hope you enjoyed it.